Now, let's focus on understanding the benefits of international business. In this video, we learn about the benefits of international business to nations, that is, to countries. Let us start. So, we learn about different points related to the benefits of international business to nations. Firstly, we learn about more efficient use of resources, then stability of prices. It improves growth prospects and employment potential. It increases the standard of living of the people and it promotes global understanding. So, now let's elaborate all these points one by one. First point is international business helps to earn foreign exchange. See, a country earns foreign exchange through international business. When a country will sell out its products which are produced in excess in one nation to the other country, definitely through sales it will earn foreign exchange. It uses foreign exchange for meeting its imports of capital goods, technology, petroleum products, fertilizers, etc. and such products which could not be produced domestically profitably. जो भी हमारी कंट्री में प्रॉफिटेबली प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया जा सकता या जिसके लिए हमारी कंट्री वायबल रिसोर्सेज प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकती, वो प्रोडक्ट्स हम इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. कैसे इंपोर्ट करेंगे? थ्रू द यूज ऑफ मनी. Which money? Such money which we receive through exporting such products which are produced in excess in our nation. So, international business is beneficial to earn foreign exchange. Second point is it helps in more efficient use of available resources. When a country produces those goods that can be viably, profitably, efficiently produced and trades the surplus with other nations, then what happens? The country's resources can be used efficiently, effectively. It helps in trading countries. Such trading countries can get the benefit of specialization in producing those products which it could produce profitably in excess. So, second point is international business is beneficial because it helps in more efficient use of available resources. Thirdly, it helps in bringing the stabilization in prices. In case of increasing prices of a product, due to short supply, due to scarcity, the rise in prices may be controlled by increasing imports. That is, we can purchase such products which cannot be profitably produced in our nation or such products of which the prices are increasing, we can purchase from abroad. Similarly, in case of decreasing prices, when the prices are coming down, resulting from the surplus production, the fall in the prices may be controlled through the export, through selling such products which we are producing in excess to the other countries. So, it helps in stabilizing the prices also. International business helps to improve growth prospects and employment potential. Exports, that is selling our products abroad, boosts the economic growth of a country as firms increase their production capacity to supply goods in foreign countries. That is, it increases the production and this leads to increase in the national income of the nation, because increase in production leads to increase in GDP of the country, that is national income. Also, increased production results in increased demand for labor, creating employment opportunities and consequently it increases the GDP of the country. So, I hope that it's clear how the growth prospects and how the employment potential are created with the international business. The demand increases for the products, demand in foreign countries increases because we are already producing in excess, and for increasing the production we need more labor. This will lead to increase in national income also, and it will help to further improve the employment potential for the nation also. It also helps to increase the standard of living of the people. Underdeveloped and developing countries are able to consume a variety of goods and services which are not produced in their own countries. They are thus able to enjoy a higher standard of living. So, such countries which cannot be which are not profitably producing variety of goods and services, they can purchase from abroad, and thus they can enjoy, the general people, the general public, they can enjoy a higher standard of living. And last but not the least, it helps in promoting the global understanding. International business provide opportunities to the countries to interact with each other, to trade with each other, to transact with each other. This increases the global understanding. This helps in increased understanding of culture, tradition, work culture, etc. and reduces the conflicts among countries and promotes healthy relationships among them. So this way in this video we learned that how international trade is beneficial for different countries. In next video we'll further elaborate. Thank you.